pretty. Pretty. What the fuck? I'm not some pretty fucking helpless princess in distress. I'm pretty fucking powerful
and ready for success.
So what is more offensive? A little girl saying fuck, or the fucking on equal and sexist way? Society treats girls and women. It's our future. So listen up, grown-ups.
Here's some words more fucked up
than the word fuck. Pay inequality. Women are paid 23% less than men for the exact same fucking work.
And women who graduate university with straight A's get paid as much as men who only got C's. So bad grades
equal more bank just because you're a boy?
Hello and hell no. Pay up, motherfucker.
I shouldn't need a penis to get paid. Rape and violence. Fucked up fact. 1 out of every 5 women
will be sexually assaulted
or raped by a man.
1, 2,
3, 4,
5.
Which one of us will it be? So how many more women have to get knocked down before society stands up and stops it? Here's a hot tip. Stop telling girls how to dress and start teaching boys not to fucking rape. We're glad a women's right to vote is here.
But equality's next step
is walking to the car without fear. Be pretty. So here's the tricky thing.
Pretty, it's a compliment.
But here's how this focus works to girls' detriment. Society teaching girls that our bodies, boobs and butts, are more important than our brains
leads us to thinking
our worth comes from our waistlines. My aspirations in life should not be worrying about the shape of my ass. So fuck focusing on how I look.
And give me a book.
The continued sexism, girls and women's stale face. Instead of cleaning these girls' mouths out with soap, maybe society should clean up its act. This is what a feminist looks like. Girls just want to have fun. Demental rights. $5 from each shirt goes to kick-ass charities that are fighting every day to make the world more equal for women and girls.
Yo, bro, when you tell a boy it's bad to act like a girl, it's because you think it's bad to be a girl.
Fuck that sexist shit. Fuckhate.com. Swear jar. I don't give a fuck.
Real women.
Real women.
Real women?
Real women can have wrinkles.
Real women can have curves.
Real women can have muscles. Real women can be skinny.
Real women can be big-breasted.
Real women can be flat-chested.
Real women
can be whatever the fuck they are.
Whatever the fuck.
Whatever the fuck.
Whatever the fuck.
Whatever the fuck they are.
Photoshop.
Photoshop.
Photoshop this.
Eh.